first step we did was to pick our topic, which we decided to do blood cells from the circulatory system in biology. After that, we found some images of blood cells off the internet that we downloaded onto our computers and saved the source so that we could cite them later on.
Next, we went onto YouTube to find a video for our background. Once we picked the video, we used an online video downloader and saved it to cite later.
So next we wrote our script that we're going to use as we're recording and saved it into a document.
We used iMovie to produce our video. First you open and create a new project, and then you import your media.
The next step was to create the background. So we took the video we got off YouTube, we imported it into iMovie, trimmed off the edges to get the parts that we just wanted of that background clip. I slowed it down a little bit to make it last a little bit longer and the blood to flow a little bit slower so you can kind of see what's more going on there. Here I added the pictures into the background called by picture in picture, so they come up in the corner. You can resize them, put them anywhere on the screen you like there, put a border around it so it stood out a little bit more, and then change the length that I had the picture in the background. So as it plays you can see the blood flowing in the background and then the picture pops up on top. Here I'm adding the titles to the beginning of the video that I wanted it to be compressed in together. So I have our title for our circulatory unit and learning about blood cells, and this is going to go at the beginning of the video. Here I'm adding some simple transitions in between the title and the background just to give it more of a little pop for the video, and you'll see it change there, and that's just the transition that we chose to use throughout the video.
Once the background video is complete, you need to export it so that it is compressed so that you can bring it back in after and apply your green screen. So to create our green screen background, we just got some poster board and taped it together to make sure that you have no seams showing and that you are standing in front of it and that the area that you want to have the background video is actually in the green screen. This was actually probably the best part of the video making. It was a lot of fun. It took a lot of takes. We realized we were not actresses, but it was a lot of fun, and I would encourage anybody to have their students or themselves create one.
This is where we added the green screen effect. So you just click and drag the selected video onto the line there, and then you double click on the green screen, this one that's on top. And when you double click, a little pop-up will come and you can change to green screen effect. And then once you do that, it just pops right through and you've done applying the green screen effect.
So we decided to add text to our video. So you just go in and pick the title that you like, the style that you like, you drag it into the bar, and then you edit and type in what you'd like to have shown up on the screen.
Now that all the editing is done, the titles are in, the green screen effect, and the sound, I'm ready to export it for the final time. So I just renamed it, made sure I saved it as the highest quality, and it'll take some time to process, but once that's all done, it'll be ready to post. Thanks for watching our video production with a green screen video. Hope you learned something, and good luck in your own projects.